Hi everyone, my name is Raymond N. Perkis and I'm from 70 Laong Compound, Almansa Uno, Las Piñas City. One of my favorite things to do is watch series and movies, especially horror, thriller, sci-fi, and gore. I just love stories that are exciting and keep me on the edge of my seat. I also enjoy playing online games like Valorant and Mobile Legends, which is a lot of fun and helps me relax. And of course, I love hanging out and laughing with my friends because it always makes my day better. I'm really excited to study speech and theater art because I want to improve my communication skills, express myself more confidently, and learn how to connect with people through storytelling and performance. I also think this subject will help me become a better teacher in the future since I'll be able to engage my students and make learning more interesting. I'm looking forward to all the creative activities, performances, and discussion we'll have in class. And I can't wait to learn from both of our teacher and my classmate. Thank you for listening and I'm excited to start this journey with all of you.